Alright everyone, this is the place I was telling you about. I promised I was going to take you on a few factory tours, little manufacturing facilities. This place is owned by my buddy, and this specializes in packaging. And that means boxes, printing, all that kind of material specifically for product. And today we are going to be looking at the superb e-juice box. Specifically the one that I collaborated with them on, and I just want to show you the whole process. So let's go take a tour. So behind me here is where we're going to be doing all the printing. There's different bay stations, there's 6 stations, and then the last station is a cure station with a UV light. Effectively what each roll of paper is doing is it's going through the entire dye process, and each layer, or rather each station I should say, is applying a different layer of color. So you've got white, black, blue, red, yellow, and then again the last one is a UV cure. It's pretty cool and it's pretty fast, so I'm going to try and show you some close-up. So segue, we're here in the t-shirt making little factory up in downtown LA. So what we're going to be doing is making these, but with the little JayBo logo in foil. And we're doing this for ECC, which is probably way over by the time you see this. However, it's kind of a cool process. I wanted to bring you along. So we'll see what we can see. Alright, after a hard day's work, we got a whole bunch done in the box. This is the Pure and Sexy. I don't know if y'all can see that. I'll show a close-up as well. But this place is super fun. It's really warm, so please forgive the appearance. But this was a whole lot of fun, so I really hope you enjoyed the tour. We're going to be doing more of this kind of stuff, so stay tuned, guys. And we're probably actually going to go back to even the boxes and labels and all that fun stuff, because why not? Give us a thumbs up. So we are here again. I shouldn't say so. This facility specifically does, now I keep saying the same shit. We are currently at the label manufacturer, and if you can see behind me, there's a whole facility for making the dyes, making the rollers, getting different inks printed onto the labels themselves, doing the adhesive rolling, all that fun stuff. So I'm gonna try and take you through each of the different stations and show you kind of how everything's made. It is incredibly loud out there, so bear with me. We're gonna do like a little dub over section. You'll just have to tolerate it for right now. Here we go. Where we are right now is another packaging supplier, and I know you can see all this moving behind me. Probably can't even hear, but what we're doing is we're actually applying the foil onto the boxes that we already printed at the previous manufacturer. Those foils, all of those, are going on the box. So we'll show you what that looks like here in a second. This is responsible for taking dyes, placing them onto the foil and effectively stamping it onto the box sheets. Next, we're going to take the box sheets and actually get them cut and glued. This is the last stop in our journey today. It's going to be the die cutting, gluing, and box folding manufacture. A lot of this stuff is done on super old equipment, and it's really fun to watch. Let's go look. Thank you everyone for joining me. It's been a really long day, but I've really enjoyed this sort of stuff. If you guys also like these kinds of factory tours and sort of behind the scenes looks, go ahead and follow and subscribe if you haven't already. Get the bell on as well. Like, comment, do all that other stuff. If you want to see what the internet thinks you should watch next, look below. If not, I will see you guys next time. Love you and bye everyone.